King Ranch.
Hey man, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing, bro?
What?
This is my episode. Get out of the kitchen, bro.
my bad.
Get out of here. Go. Shoo. Get out, man.
My bad.
All right. Hey guys, what's up? I'm David, and today's episode is going to be King Ranch Casserole. This is a very typical Texan dish that a lot of families will make, around like picnic times and stuff like that. So, here's our take. Start cubing your chicken by butterflying and then slicing in long, even strips. Give your onion a good dice, nothing special. Slice the ends off your bell peppers, cut the membranes around the inside and pull out the core. Slice one end and roll it out, then slice into strips. This is an efficient and quick way to make sure the pieces are roughly the same size and you'll be able to use the entire pepper. After sweating your onion and pepper mixture in some olive oil for about 15 minutes, you're going to add your chicken. Now ensure everything cooks all the way through, which should take about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to give this a quick stir and then I'm going to leave for a few minutes and I'll be back. What is this guy up to? What are you doing? Looks like he's adding hot sauce. It might not be a bad idea. So, yeah, go ahead and add your favorite hot sauce. See how it goes. Once everything's cooked, add the can of Rotel tomatoes, cream of mushroom, and cream of chicken soup. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of chipotle chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Mexican style chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Add a cup of chicken broth and give it all a good stir. This will need to reduce by half so it'll thicken up some, which is what you want.
Hey man, what's going on?
Hey bro, I told you get out! Go! Get! Shoot! Get out of here! Begin assembling your dish by layering like you would a lasagna, with sauce, tortillas, and then cheese. Now to add what we like to call crunch factor, take a bag full of your favorite tortilla chips and crush them up. Then layer over the top. Place in an oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees, and I'll see you in a bit. Now we're back. We're going to go ahead and pull this out of the oven. And if you hate the inside of your mouth, go ahead and serve some up. Otherwise, let it cool for about 20 to 30 minutes before serving to your family. Hey man, what did I say? Get out of the kitchen, go! Oh, hey guys, sorry.